So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung phone just has a lot of dirt or dust behind the screen protector. So maybe you have a screen protector on your phone, but there's like some dust or dirt behind the screen itself. Now there's a couple of different ways of going through and kind of fixing this particular problem. Now number one, the main way to go and fix this is to kind of be prepared to lift the screen protector up, clean underneath it, and place the screen protector back down. The chances of you doing that without going through and actually adding more dust is very rare. But the first thing you can try doing there is to see if there's any way for you to go through and basically replace this particular screen protector. That is kind of one of the main ways to go and fix it, is to just go and take it off, clean the screen off and then place it back down. Now that doesn't end up working. Another thing you might want to try doing here is to go ahead and see if there's an opening for you to lift up the screen protector. If there is a way for you to somehow lift up the screen protector when you're going to go through and clean it out, lift up the screen protector and see if you can use a piece of tape to actually apply underneath the screen protector itself and try cleaning out the screen protector that way. You can also try using some sort of like air gun if you have one, some sort of air gun. You can try going through and like placing that or posting that somewhere and see if you can get that air brushed out of there as well. That's another option you have, and that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you might want to try doing, like I said before, is to just replace that screen protector. If you can't use an air gun, if you can't use tape, and if you can't lift it without cracking it, the best thing to do is just replace it and just make sure you just clean it off before going through and adding it in again. So that basically covers it up there too. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.